Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RAD. Rite. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis in the past, however, it's been a while, and I definitely lost track of it, but this thing's been uptrending very nicely. A lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above this $2.35 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.35, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above it, that would definitely be a huge sign of strength going forward on the bull's part. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, so this definitely assumes you have more of a broader term time horizon, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're somebody that's just sitting there saying, Clay, look, I just want a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, easiest way to gauge the health or lack thereof, use that purple line. As long as the price stays above the purple line, as the purple line moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, full control, full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, I'm actually going to scrunch up a chart here to see kind of, all right, this is a good problem to have. The price is, all right, I'm going to zoom back in. Yeah, it's just the price hasn't been up this high for quite a while. So really pretty straightforward. Current level of resistance going into next week is just this kind of little congestion point up here right around $2.50. Yeah, I get it. The price went up above there a couple of times. But as far as the overall kind of viewpoint here, hopefully we can agree that the main point of price congestion right up there at $2.50. But in all honesty, breaking levels of resistance, kind of overrated. Top thing is just keep on repeating the past history. Keep on doing what it's been doing. What has it been doing? Well, it's been doing this. It's been building these higher bases, and as long as the price just keeps on building those higher bases after higher bases, you picture those as stair steps. Just let the stair steps continue to take you forward. So yeah, talking levels of resistance and breaking them can be fun. At the end of the day, the healthiest thing is just to build those higher lows and then just sit back and let everything else fall into place. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.